We Hustle Daily, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, man. Today's gonna be a different type of video. Today we're about to look at some old school cars, man. I pulled up on these old school cars on this weekend, so we about to check these out, man. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Check these old schools out. All right, let's see what we got. Hustle Nation, man. We got a SS right here. Let's check this bad boy out. 350. This boy is clean. Chevy Nova, that's what it is. Chevy Nova. Man, this boy nice. Interior looking good. Okay, I don't want you touching. Can't touch. You can look, but you can't touch. This boy nice, man. Let's go ahead over here real quick, see what we got over here. Check this bad boy out. Let's see what this is here. Gotta see what it is. I don't even know what it is. Plymouth. Who makes the Plymouth? I heard of it before, but damn, I don't even know who makes it. Is that Mopar? I think so. Is that Dodge? I don't know. Yeah, Mopar, so yeah, Dodge. Correct me if I'm wrong though, but I think that's Dodge, right? This mug clean though, man. Let's go ahead and move over here to this Camaro. Let's check out this Z28. This boy's clean. We ain't got leather though, but we stick shift. They should have put leather in these, man. Z28. It's clean too. How many miles on it? Don't even say. Got a digital dash. This joint clean though, man. That red is hidden. Got this Firebird here. Check out this motor, man. This motor clean. What is this? This is a I think it's a Firebird. Let me make sure, y'all. Yeah. This boy clean, boy. Man, look at that lip though. That lip is clean, man.
Too clean.
This boy is clean. Look like they got the interior done. This is a Firebird, right?
Yeah.
This boy is clean. I like the lip up here too.
Man, those rims too.
Yeah, man, those are nice.
That's hard.
The motor, everything. I think this probably gonna be the hardest one. I'm not sure though. We gotta keep looking though, but that joint hard. Let's see what we got here. SS. Check out that interior. I know, man. Another Chevelle. I think no, the other one was a Nova. This is a Chevelle. This joint clean too, but it ain't hitting as hard as that that Firebird right there, man. We got this old school right here. I don't know nothing about these, you know. You old heads might know something about this. I don't know nothing about this right here, but it's clean though. Ooh, look at that. That joint clean. Ooh, they got the Tommy. Ooh, that joint nice. That boy is clean. Original Ford, man. That boy is nice. Check this one out. Check this one out here. Another old school. Like that distributor. That joint nice. That old school Ford pickup, man. This joint clean. Interior clean, everything. Look at the little radiator. Man, they got some nice cars out here today, man. We got this Camaro. Check him out. .475 horsepower. He riding. Cold air intake.
How you doing, young man?
How you doing, boss?
All right.
Like your car, man.
Thank you.
It's nice. Check this one out.
We had all custom striping done on it. This got stripes.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
This right here and all the way down the top. All the way to the back.
Then you got the doors, man.
Yeah,
I like the
we have
doors
doors,
too,
man.
man. Let me check out the back right here.
Go ahead.
Interior. SS. Yeah, I like them doors though, man. Doors is nice.
Yeah, we had all this stripe. All this done custom made. Nobody's got a stripe like it.
Yeah, man. It's my first time seeing it. That boy is nice, man. Interior nice and clean. Word, check him out. Check him out.
It's a daily drive. We drive it every day.
Oh yeah.
You like my ride, huh?
Yeah, I like it. You say you be riding?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I like it.
And on the highway, she averages about right out close to 40 miles a gallon.
40 miles is pretty good. That's pretty good. See what we got, man. We got this old school Nissan here. Please do not touch. They do not want you touching their cars, man. I don't blame them. That's why I don't even like running my cars through the auction, man. This boy clean. Oh, excuse me. Old school. Another old school right here. Check him out. Uh-oh. Got the SS pulling up. Monte Carlo. Super clean. Got this old school, it's not really that old. What year is this? Like a 99? 95. This boy clean. Original. Is that stick shift? Nah. Automatic. 4x4. Old school short bed Silverado. Clean. She letting them know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got the McLaren right here. Red. Just trying to get the top open.
Yeah, trying to see if you get this to get to the engine.
Yeah.
Was it only that?
I don't know. Just like I said,
Them wheels nice though.
But you can hear it when you push it. You hear it click, 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 click.
Let's see if we can get around here, y'all. In fact, we're gonna go this way. It's too crowded over there. Check out this Ford. Man, them seats, man. Even the floor, everything, man. This joint clean. $19.55. Oh damn! I call this a Ford. This is a Chevy. Yeah, it's a Chevy 31. That joint clean. This boy's in good condition, man. Just check this one out. They said the fingerprints pissed me off. Convertible. Clean. Stingray. Got this old school here, right here. See what this is, y'all. Let's see. 1955 Bel Air. This joint clean. I like that little wood centerpiece. That joint nice. Another Firebird right here. I told y'all that Firebird gonna be the hardest thing out, man. This one's a little dirty though, but still old school, still clean though.
all it takes is money.
Pontiac.
If I had an engine.
Check out this Z28. That joint clean. Stick shift. Interior nice. This boy nice, man. Got this Mustang right here. Got that old Mercedes. Look at this boy. This boy old right here. What year is this? 78. Then we got, what's that, fire extinguisher in there? What is it? 560C? This truck right here. I like them wheels on there. They got all the old schools out here today.
The Tucker Cruisers. You would think they were competitors both in here.
Mustang.
Tucker, but we
Got the
actually
Corvette.
good buddies. A lot of
Grand Sport. I
people
like
in their
these
club
Grand
while they're
Sports,
clubbed
man.
in our club. And they sponsor us this
These
year.
Grand Sports is hard.
Jimmy Dorsey, you here? Jimmy.
Oh, they got that music playing. Check this one out. Man, the motors be clean. That joint hard. That joint hard. He got the Santa Claus suit on. Nice. 5.0.
Lovely wife sharing up.
Gotta turn that music off. Damn, I like this matte black on this truck. It's clean. These joints only go 80. That joint cleaned up. Got the old Ford Ranger. Paint clean.
Good, he might make you wrong, but anyway, we like to. Thank you.
Mustang. Got the Shelby.
Karen, we'd like to thank you. Karen's our one and only queen of
Straight six.
So enjoy
Every moment. But yeah, if you just want to buy some stuff to start with from personal use, some of this go keep the land building.
United Control.
It's been years back. Early 60s. What was that? Oil front and sunroof top? Something like that. Yeah. That's a real good car. My dad brought one.
It's good. That joint hard. Don't pull off. Pull off. Let's see what we got. Damn, that bitch hard, bro. But alright, YouTube, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for your boy. Make sure you share my video. Y'all let me know if y'all like seeing videos like that too, you know, along with the auction content. Let me know in the comments below. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. But I'll catch y'all later. It's your boy Ray. I'm out. Peace.